Hi friends, what's up? Hope you're all doing well today. Today I've got a quick and easy piano tutorial for you. I'm going to be teaching you the new song Light Switch by Charlie Puth, which he's been kind of teasing on his TikTok for the last couple months. This is just going to be a fun short tutorial, so let's jump in right away. So this song just has 4 chords which are going to be repeated for the entire song. So let me play through it first, and then afterwards I'll go through step by step and show you exactly how to play it. Here we go. And yeah, that's going to be just all about what we have to learn today. Alright, so let's get started by just looking at the 4 chords that we're going to play here. Now, these aren't your most basic chords. I kind of tried to match the original song as best as I could and hear exactly what chords he was playing here. So let me go through those with you. So our first chord here, this is going to be an E flat minor 7 chord. So we'll play E flat in the left hand and then B flat, D flat, and G flat here in the right hand. Alright? Now for our next chord, we're just going to move up to a G flat in the left hand, and we're going to keep the right hand the same. This is going to be a G flat chord now, but I like to add this top A flat, and that makes it a G flat add 9 chord. And sometimes I don't even play this G flat here. Alright? So that's G flat add 9. Now for our third chord, we're going to go down here to a D flat chord. So this is going to be D flat, A flat, D flat, and F. And then if we add this E flat, that's the 9th. So we could call that a D flat add 9 chord. And then for our final chord, we'll go here to A flat in the left hand, A flat, B, E flat, and G flat in the right hand. That is an A flat minor 7 chord. All right, so let's review. We start out with E flat minor 7, then we'll go here to G flat add 9, D flat add 9, and then lastly A flat minor 7. And that's it. So the melody over that part kind of sounds something like this. Do 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 do. Alright, now if you want to play along with this rhythm that I was playing at the start of this video and that you kind of hear in the song too, let me count through that and show you how that kind of sounds. So we're going to be counting 4 beats in every measure. I'll start slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see what's going on there is on beat 3, we're repeating the first chord, and then when we change chords, it's actually going to be right before beat 1. Listen for that. A little bit faster sounds something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then the last thing you have to do to match how I was playing it at the beginning is to add this top B flat on every time we play that repeated chord right before we transition, right? So then it sounds like this. And that's just about it. Alright, good luck learning this song. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know down in the comments what other songs you want to hear. Also, we just passed 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support. If you're not subscribing, be sure to subscribe. We're still going. And I'm going to be doing a 10,000 subscriber special soon, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching.